Hello everyone, the first 3 to 4 seconds of the video showed the result of me building a small mini welding machine right at home. It may look simple at first glance, but making it does take a bit of patience and experimentation. In this video, I'll start simply with a spark plug. It will be an important part of this homemade welding machine. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. The first method is quite simple. I'll use a short circuit connection technique. Specifically, one end of the wire will be connected to the spark plug's threaded tip, and the other end to the threaded body. A bit about this method. Essentially, it creates a closed electrical loop without needing complex intermediary components, allowing the current to flow directly and more powerfully while minimizing energy loss. It's an effective approach when you want to experiment with small electrical devices at home, as it's simple and preserves the efficiency of the circuit. Next, I continue with a longer single-core wire. In this step, one end will be connected to the spark plug's ground terminal, and the other end will be attached to an alligator clip to connect directly to the positive terminal of the power source. This setup provides a solid electrical path while making it easy to assemble, disassemble, or experiment with different power sources. For safety when using the power source, I'll wrap insulating tape around the electrical connection I just made. I'll wrap extra around the threaded body, which not only insulates but also makes it easier to secure the spark plug in a plastic tube, preventing it from slipping or coming loose during use. It's a small but very important tip for safe home experimentation. This is a piece of PVC pipe that I've prepared in the right size. I'll use it as the handle for the device, making it both compact and safe to hold, which makes operating the homemade mini welding machine much easier. If you have a dead AA battery at home, bring it out and use it as the welding tip. We only need one, but it will help complete the welding point in a simple and convenient way. To be sure, I'll measure it once more with a voltage meter. This helps check that the connection and power source are stable and safe before starting to use it. What we need to do is remove the battery casing first, and then take out the inner core. Don't worry, this battery is almost completely drained, and the procedure only requires a few simple tools like pliers. What we need to do is remove the battery casing first, and then take out the inner core. Don't worry, this battery is almost completely drained, and the procedure only requires a few simple tools like pliers. After finishing the homemade welding tip, I'll attach it to the spark plug's connector. Next, I'll use a simple tool, a wire with 2 alligator clips attached at each end. The purpose is to connect this wire to the negative terminal of the power source, completing the electrical circuit. Using a small battery is very reasonable, as it provides enough power for this device, making it both safe and convenient for home experimentation. And soon I'll be testing a few small experiments to check the device's effectiveness. So, let's enjoy this achievement together. It's really satisfying to see it in action. After 2 successful tests, I'm really satisfied with this homemade mini welding machine. It's not just an interesting project but also proof that with a bit of patience and creativity, we can achieve things that might seem difficult. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss my next experiments.